27. Consider the following statements. The government of India provides minimum support price for Niger seeds. So there is a scientific word name for the Niger seed given inside the brackets. And then second, Niger is cultivated as a kharif crop. Then some tribal people in India use a Niger seed oil for cooking. So how many of the above statements are correct is the question. So when I looked into the source, I realized this question is most probably picked up from an article from Down to Earth. So as I said earlier, in many questions related to environment, it's a good practice to check through the Down to Earth magazine's newses quickly and see if there is any important news there. So I will just show you the link and you will explain. So this is the news. The article was elusive oil seed. India's Niger seed cultivation is declining. Here is why. Lack of government interest in tribal cuisine, amarble infestation, low productivity of Niger seeds, and increasing paddy cultivation are some of the factors. So if you see, this is a very important question as far as mains is concerned also. So you could expect such a question in mains, and you should be preparing notes from such an important article. And see, since a lot of domains are involved, the tribal economic development, tribal wealth and health is involved, agriculture is involved, environment is involved, a lot of domains are involved. So this is a very important article. And if you see, almost all the points given in this question can be directly answered from this article itself. So let's see. In the question it was asked whether MSP is provided. So it is one of the 14 kharif crops for which center releases a MSP every year is an unlikely plant called Niger or Rantil. This is lesser known oilseed commands one of the highest MSPs fixed on the basis of cost of production and the market demand. So it is MSP is given for Niger seed. So that is mentioned. Then what was the other statement? Let me just go to the statement. It is cultivated as a kharif crop is the second statement. So see, in the first statement itself, it is mentioned it is kharif crop. So even that is mentioned. Then some tribal people in India uses Niger seed for oil for cooking. So it is also since the tribal population uses Niger seed oil for cooking. So that is the statement. So that is also mentioned. So if you see, even if you didn't go through the entire article and if you are just noting down the main title and just the subtitle, the main heading and subheadings, even then you will be able to answer this question. So all the important kharif, that this is kharif crop is only mentioned in the article. So yeah, anyway, my main point is Down to Earth is a good source to depend on such articles. Then there is as far as if you come back to the Hindu as a source, I have given one article here. Odisha says its suggestion regarding MSP calculation of paddy was ignored. That is the news. So if you see, there is a mention of if you see, in case of MSP, when they are mentioning all the MSP crops, they are mentioning Niger seeds also. So the MSP is given for Niger seeds is you can pick up that information from Hindu source itself, but that it is a kharif crop and tribal population use it for oil, takes oil from Niger seeds. All those information is not present in this article. So that is why I said this is the most likely source for that question. And obviously all this information you can find from static textbooks like probably from something related to agriculture. When they talk about all different types of kind of crops in India, it will probably be there in different oils, oil seeds and oil production. When we discuss that part also, this will be mentioned. And you probably may pick up this information from different other sources, but if you ask me which current affairs source triggered this question, I would say probably this. Yeah, okay, so that is my point regarding this question. Let me just, so yeah, if you come back to the question, all the three statements are true, and the answer is all three. So let's move on to the next question. 28.